Hi, in this video we'll show you how to swap your existing crypto assets for TAO directly inside Talisman, no matter which chain you're on. Start by opening up your Talisman wallet. I'm going to click full screen view. Select swap. On this page, you select the asset that you pay with and the asset that you'll receive. Make sure to have both your EVM and Substrate wallets prepared. We're going to pay with USDC, and that will come from the EVM wallet, and select TAO as the asset to receive. Make sure to select your Bittensor wallet as the receiving address. Then input the amount that you'd like to swap, and note that the amount you input needs to be higher than the minimum for that route. After you've input all the details, you can change provider by clicking on this arrow. In this case, we'll stick with the chosen provider. After you've input all the details, select Review. You can confirm the details, and once you're satisfied, click Confirm Swap. You can track the status of the transaction in the Activity tab.